Namaskar. I'm Dr. Deepti Sharma and welcome back to Uda. First of all, thank you so much for the overwhelming response and love you showed after my announcement of this managerial economics series. Many of you were waiting for this, and today we are finally beginning this journey together. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed two businesses selling the same product in the same market? One earns huge profit while the other struggles to survive. Tell me, students, is it just luck or is there a science behind it? That science is called managerial economics. And I promise you, by the end of this series, you will not just study managerial economics, you will start thinking like a decision maker. Now, let us first understand what is managerial economics. Managerial economics is the application of economic principles in business decision making. Or in simple words, it helps managers take smart, logical, and profit oriented decisions. Because in real business life, decisions cannot be based on guesswork or emotions. They must be based on data, analysis, logic. Now, let us understand why do we need managerial economics? And let's make this practical. Imagine you are a manager in a company. Every day you have to take decisions. What kind of decisions you have to take? Like how much to produce, what price to charge, how to reduce cost, how to face competition. Now, students, the question is on what basis will you take these decisions? Is it on the basis of trial and error or on the basis of assumptions? This is where managerial economics helps you. It gives you a scientific approach to decision making. Let us understand with a very simple example. Suppose you are running a small business selling water bottle. Now you have two choices. Option 1, sell at high price, earn more per unit. Sell at low price, attract more customers. Now what should you do? Increase price or decrease price? This decision depends on demand, cost, competition, and customer behavior. Realizing all this is exactly what managerial economics teaches you. Now, let me clear you the key focus areas of managerial economics. Managerial economics mainly focus on demand analysis, cost analysis, pricing decisions, profit maximization, and decision making under risk. Don't worry, we will cover each of these topics in detail in the upcoming videos of this series. Now let us understand nature of managerial economics. Dear students, managerial economics is practical, it is decision oriented, it is microeconomic in nature. It is focused on real business problems. And remember, it is not just theory, it is a real life application subject. Now let us quickly revise what we learned today. Number one, managerial economics means economics plus business decisions. It helps managers take rational decisions, use resources efficiently, and maximize profit. It is a practical and application based subject. So now you can clearly understand managerial economics is not just a subject, it is a powerful tool that transforms a normal thinker into a smart decision maker. So now in next video we will discuss a very important topic, that is scope and importance of managerial economics. And you will clearly understand what exactly you need to study in this subject and how it is useful in real business world. If you found this video helpful, do share it with your classmates and fellow management students. And if you want more such simple, practical and powerful explanations, please subscribe to this channel because here at Udan, we believe concepts should not be complicated. They should be clearly understood. Thank you for watching. See you in next session.